Very good morning, friends. I hope you're all doing good. Let's look at the very simple chart here and then understand. If you see, how's this chart look like? From the day one, where is the price? It's 103. They took it up to 172, then moved down to 33, accumulated, booked some profit here at 156. Again, they bought, again, they took it up to 600 levels. From 600 levels, price dumped down to 400, few buying again 500, again 300, a little more up 380, and then 126 in 2020, that is the COVID time, of course. So if we even disregard COVID, the price should have been at 290 or 280, this range. It, and if we are not thinking of COVID, before COVID, that is 2020, sorry, 2019, it should be at 385. Let's mark this level. And during COVID, we'll take the low, and we'll take see now, considering inflation and all that, we will not take these prices. So typically, the price should have been at 380 to at least 300 levels. Where is the price now? It went to low of 122, and now again they're popping it up to 170 and maybe up to 300 or 380 also. So this is the operators way of playing. What are the FIs doing? The FIs are only selling at the moment. Are they completely sold out? No, they still hold a huge chunk of stocks. All they do is they dump at higher levels, they buy at lower levels. They are not like us where we put a 20-point stop loss and trade, or maybe 50-point stop loss and trade. They look for minimum 200 points in options. So their strategies are different apart from us. If they want to take the market further down, they will even take this down also. Let's look at other stocks. Look at ONGC. This was a beautiful entry. Second entry here, also done. This is a little riskier entry now, but many of us go here, get stuck. Same will happen with GMR and many other stocks. So this is just, let us look at even Bandhan Bank. What happened to Bandhan Bank? Very simple. Let's remove all the drawings. Where was the IPO price? 465, 700, 198. So what is the actual valuation is what we need to understand. Of course, this is a good entry to go. You can, it's like a hero or zero trade here. This is a very hero zero trade. I can say 190, and you can just buy and forget. Okay, for some, definitely after the 6 months to 1 year, please keep it in your mind. You can come back and comment here. We should see 280 to 400 levels. Okay, so but you should be ready to even forget it for 2 years sometimes. Moment you keep looking at it, it keeps, you keep to want to average, you think of profit, loss. I'm at loss of 100 rupees. Do not think that. That is the worst thing we all do. I'll tell you an example. I had bought PSUBs, very few quantities. uh, PSU. Okay, very few quantities somewhere at this levels, and 2 years, of course, decent returns. What are the returns we are seeing? In fact, I have also given a buy at this level. At somewhere at 33. I very rarely clearly remember because was watching this level and then add shared. So what I'm trying to say is we have to try and buy at lows. It's a very simple chart, buy at lows, right? So anyways, I have given you a very good clue. If you and understand and utilize, I'm very happy. So there are many stocks like this. Let me just share you one stock. People were actually kind of laughing at me when I said where I'm going to buy Jubilant when news is bad and all that. We bought somewhere at 480s, currently at 500, and I'm assuring you we should be able to see 580 in next 6 months to 1 year or even higher. Let us look at Tata Power. People want to buy here. They say this is a buy. This is a long week. I want to buy. Why did you buy it here? Why did you buy it here? Why go at the top, buy? What is the profit you can gain? 5%, 3%? Okay. Anyway, let's look at a few more stocks. I think here we are looking at AU Finance. Yes, definitely this stock also has done well. After some period of time, we should be able to see this at 800 levels, and then there I wouldn't be surprised if it stays here, or one can go up further or come down also. So is this the area to buy? Is this an area to buy? Is something which you all need to understand. Anyway, these stocks which I am looking at right now are for intraday also. Okay. So if I am giving a C in this, please do not be surprised. I would uh, uh, so Bandhan Bank, if I say okay, buy 200 call above this level, don't be surprised. It will be a intraday, pure intraday F&O. Now let us look at HDFC Bank. What is the view, or what is that possibly we may end at in this year? Uh, this is definitely a very excellent stop to hold, but we have to also understand the FIs are taking advantage that HDFC merger and all that. Twice they took it to 1,700. Of course, we were able to make some good profit, and then they have been bringing it down. What I can also see is there is uh, a strong possibility of this moving down to 1,200 levels. So I'm keeping a very low profile, just holding few stocks and just waiting to see what is going on, what drama is going to unfold. But for sure, this year, this stock is not going to go up. Do not expect 2000 levels and all that, the all-time high to break. Let us wait for the next year. But yes, patience is the key in this market. Having said that, let's look at Bank Nifty, because that is what that's the expiry tomorrow, and we will have lot of opportunity, hero zero trades opportunities tomorrow. what is happening in Bank Nifty? For sure, yes, it is it is moved well from this level. It looks, many would say, sir, this is a flat pattern, and I would they would want they would say this is uh, okay. They would say this is stick, this is flag, and they would say that it can go up. Yes, it looks like a flag pattern, but in this index, there's a different game plan altogether. What I can see here is price is trading in this range for some time. It is waiting for some news which can make it come down or go up. But yes, until it is in this range, I would not say it is going to go up or come down. And once it breaks this also, it doesn't mean that it has to go down further. It always can come back. All we need to decide is how much of profit we can make in this market with the small margins we have. Yes, if you are a big player, there are different strategies. Uh, buying in futures, hedging with options, but that's a different strategy. Anyway, let me talk about it. For that, if you are able to identify good uh, high volatile stocks, for me, uh, best stock I think, I mean, most of the times my friend also trades, is Jubilant Food. If you are, because the options moves very well, and even the premiums it takes is low. So tomorrow, if you want, you can sell this in futures and buy 500 call and see what happens. For sure, overall, by uh, say another 3 days or maybe by the next week, you should be in profit. So I'm saying sell futures में short करो या short futures and buy 500 call. Both of course simultaneously, and you by end of this month you should definitely be, not exactly end of the month, by, yeah, before the expiry, we should see some profit gains in this. It's a very simple strategy. Now, why did I say short in futures? I have different reason. Why did I say buy in call? Also, there's a different reason. Uh, but I'm just giving you a simple clue to how you can trade if you have good margin of 5 lakhs and above. So let's look at Bank Nifty. What is that we traded today? Yes, we were expecting market to be what do you say, bearish, or rather, and that is what actually happened. If you look at Bank Nifty, yes, it possibly opened at lower levels. Sorry, it opened somewhere at 49,600. I'm not sure how come this level was drawn before. Anyways, so market has respected this level. These are very important levels. Okay, and then moved up. Then finally at the end, by the even in Fin Nifty, it it moved down, and there were a lot of zero trades which people took. But whole day, for lots of reasons, premium was getting killed. And one simple observation, which or which I also agreed with my mentor, is uh, till the eighth candle, it was just mostly premium killing. Let's look at what was the eighth candle. I do not know the exact calculation he made. So let's expand this. Sorry, sorry. So this was the first second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. If you see, yes, market opened big red candle. So this entire area, the premium was got killed because we were observing. We actually bought and then got stuck. We quickly exited before making any further loss. But yes, we were holding puts. We made some profit there, but we tried to add few positions in the put side, but did not really give good profit. What happened after the 8 candle? Market went up, so straight up, a very positive, what you can say, move, and then again consolidated and made a little more high, and then finally came down in the last 40 minutes or 1 hour. So actual trades or profitable trades for the people who waited patiently and traded over here. We just took one trade of 22 150 around 8 rupees, and then it made a high of about 38. We were able to capture some good profit there, and we close the day. So for tomorrow, if you look at Bank Nifty, uh, if you see the candle, it looks bearish. Uh, I'm sure most of them are holding puts, but somehow uh, we are we were not very keen on because again suddenly the first 15 minutes generally the premiums tend to get down. But yes, tomorrow there is a good possibility that market can open cap up at these levels. However, I would wait and watch what price can do here and then decide whether I should go up or down. But for sure, what we can see is if price is not able to sustain this level, the next levels for sure should be somewhere at this over here. You see this pattern is, let me just draw the pattern. If you see, this pattern, it looks like an inverted cup and handle whatsoever. But again, this can change in a different time frame and give us show us a different when we enter, get us caught in the wrong side. So always better to trail your stop losses or book half at certain level of profit and then trail your stop loss to break even, which is a good, simple, easy strategy. No much of tension, headaches involved. Uh, Let us also look at a few stocks. We had shared buy in Purvankara. This was, uh, in fact, our buying range was somewhere at 180, and currently this is at 430. The other stock was Brigade. We gave a buy. In fact, we still hold huge chunk of it, trying to exit at the highs. A little greedy we are, of course, but our buying prices was somewhere at 580. So it's almost double, and the quantity is more than 1,000. So we are quite keenly looking at exiting at good profit this stock. We will definitely get opportunities like this. Just have to wait and watch. Some stocks which I would recommend, we had recommended was Ratan Power in the penny stock. We're looking at Vikas. We're looking at Vikas Life, and then Sundaram Multi. We also had JP Associate. Some people are asking, so let us look at that stock. Somehow I'm not a real fan of the stock. Okay, if you see, this has been really badly falling, and not really a good stock. But yes, since it's at a cheap price or discounted price, let's all use the word cheap. It's at a discounted price. I think looks good to add this maybe, but I can also say if uh, if you notice, it is not able to sustain this price of 26 at all. And many people for sure would think that there's a good breakout coming, strong uptrend, and then gets caught here. But they don't realize where the uptrend started and then get caught. Right now, it is at 9 rupees. I would watch what is happening. I don't think it's a really great idea to buy still, because still further down can come in the stock. But yes, as I said, you can start accumulating. No harm in accumulating the stock. So thanks, friends. Let's hope you have a good profitable day today. Nifty also nice recovery. Election gave us excellent profit, and then after that also. But last 2 days has not been a real great day for option buyers, but maybe for option sellers has been. But there are a lot of spikes which are happening. 6 rupees moving to 30 rupees, and 50 rupees moving to 120 also. So wish you all happy profitable day. God bless you all. Thanks for joining. And what is meant by term premium killing? Okay. Okay. For this, thanks for your question. Very simple. Let me just show you what is premium killing. This is the Bank Nifty call 49,900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 days, it went to 1,800 and now it is at 100. There are two types of premium killing. One is time decay and price decay. If price does not move, the price does not move in the direction. If you have taken this call, price is not moving in the Bank Nifty price is not basically moving in your direction upwards in a very fast manner. Also remember, now currently it is at 49. This price, it's not fallen very badly, but it is just 200 points away. But still, price is not moving in your favor in a fast pace, right? Which is the strike price 49,900. It is not fallen badly. If you look at, price actually stuck there. Let me just hide all. Price is stuck there. It is only that price is stuck in this range. It is at 50,000 only. But it is not moving in your favor in the very fast pace. So what is happening? The premium is getting killed. This is called as time decay. The second, so the longer you hold, this will can become zero. This then there is also price decay. As the expiry nears, what do the option sellers do? They generally sell the call and put. It's not only the call put. I mean, so call, even the put they sell. This is 49,900 put. Even this they would have sold at 2,000 levels or two, and what is the profit they're making? They're not making 100 points. They're making 1,000 points. I'll give another example. Maybe Fin Nifty 22. Let's okay. We'll add this. Let's add this. Let me add. I'll add two Fin Nifty 22 to 50 call and put both. Okay. You can even add the next series and see what happens for your. But as of now, for your understanding, I'll just add this. Okay, I don't think I can add anyways. So currently, you watch this. What is happening? Put, of course, is moving up. 480, it is at for 22 to 50 put. Of course, this is very deep in the money, so it is moving up. But by the next expiry, this 480 will for sure be at some 400 levels. And if you look at the call side, it's already started coming down. So you can even look at maybe Nifty. Same even look at and you'll understand further. But good question. I would suggest you to. I'm not an expert in explaining this, but I would definitely would want you to look at it, understand. Else, it's a very dangerous game. You can tend to lose money. So I'll make another video separately for this uh, with a clear picture of the same. I'll take some screenshots and share you how price decay and time decay happens. So good day to you and take care.